Good morning everyone. Today we discuss about land capability classification. As we know, land capability classification is a system of grouping soil primarily on the basis of their capability to produce common cultivated crop, partial land without decoding over a long period of time. Okay, means the evaluation of a land for a land use planning is a consequent step following the soil survey and mapping process. In the recent year, it has been popularized in almost every land development program. Basic definition of this: the land capability classification is the process of evaluating and categorizing land based on its physical characteristic and limitation. It helps to determine the suitability of land for a different agriculture, forestry and development activities. The system of a land capability classification requires every acre of land be used in accordance with with its capability and limitation. The purpose of land capability classification system is a global land evaluation ranking that groups soil based on their potential for agriculture and other uses. LCC can help determine if the land is suitable for certain uses and whether there are risks for degradation. Okay. In FAO, land capability classification is a soil evaluation method developed by FAO. FAO stated that land stability is the fitness of a given type of a land for defined use. The land may be considered in its present condition or after movements. Component of land capability classification: there are many types of component. First is land character soil characteristics and slope, and then climate. Okay, in soil characteristics, the soil type, fertility, depth and drainage are the essential factor to determine the land capability. Soil with a good fertility and drainage are generally more suitable for agriculture. Slope: in a slope of a land influence its suitability. Okay, in a climate, the climate affect the suitability of land for a specific crop or a vegetation. Temperature, rainfall pattern and forest free period are considered in a land capability classification. Okay, land capability classification divided in many types. Okay, in class 1, soil have a slight limitation that reduces their use. Okay, in class 2, soil have a moderate limitation that reduce the particles. Okay, that reduce the choice of plants actually, or require moderate conservation practice. In third class soil have a several limitation that reduce the choice of plant, require special conservation. And land capability classification is a system of grouping soils primarily on a basis of their capability to produce common cultivated crop and partial plant without decoding over a long period of time. Means they provide examples specific to your region or area of interest, include image or description of a land use map that depicts the different land and classes. Okay, now come to the conclusion. Land capability classification is a valuable tool for assessing the suitability of a land for a various land use. It assists in the land use planning, suitable land management, and making informed decisions regarding land development. And lastly, the understanding the capabilities and limitation of a land, we can promote responsible land use practice and promote our natural resources. Thank you so much to cover this topic, land capability classification. Thank you. Thank you so much.